Next thing I'm going to install is these castor camber plates. These are for $79 and $93. To my eye, they look identical. Okay, I think I got this installed correctly. Got the plate on the bottom, plate on top, and then this piece just kind of sits sandwiched in between the two. And the way that looks is just like this. So that piece goes on. This is going to come between the two. Something like that. This will move back and forth. So what that means is that on the shock tower here, I'm going to have to chop a bunch of this out so that I can get these washers to hold this piece to the top plate. Okay, plan B. Watched a quick YouTube video. The way they had it installed is this plate goes without any spacers, just right up against the shock tower. And then you have the spacer, top plate, and the where the shock bolts through this bracket here goes between the spacer and this plate on top of the shock tower. So you got adjustment this way, and normally you would also be able to rotate this. But what I'm gonna have to do is just massage the holes where these two bolts come up a little bit, because it's so tight it doesn't turn at all. Here it is again without that top plate. You can see the spacers are there. And these are the holes that I'm going to have to just massage in a little bit. And then this will be able to swing. Right in this hole, there was a rivet I had to drill out because it was stopping the bottom plate from rotating. So let's see here. If you see here, you can see right through it. But as soon as I got here, as soon as I got to right here, it wouldn't move anymore because it was hitting this rivet. As soon as I drill it out, it slides all the way back and forth.